Tired of battling stubborn stains and nasty smells in your carpet? I was too. So I bought two Bissell carpet cleaners, the budget-friendly TurboClean Powerbrush Pet and the premium Revolution Hydrosteam, and put them head-to-head in the nastiest carpet test I've ever done. Before you decide which one belongs in your house, here's what you need to know. I've used Bissell machines for years, but I always wondered, is the big, expensive model really worth the money when the smaller ones look so similar on paper? To find out, I tested them side by side on everyday messes, plus old sticky stains and a few pet potty disasters my little dog generously contributed. And let's just say there's a pretty big gap between these two, but also some trade-offs you might not expect. Let's start with the TurboClean Powerbrush Pet. This little cleaner actually does a really nice job on light messes, like fresh spills, dusty footprints, and everyday dirt. It's super lightweight and easy to set up, so if you just need something you can grab and go, it's honestly pretty great for the price. But when I tried it on sticky stains, like whatever my little kids got all over the carpet, or really stinky pet stains, it just wasn't powerful enough. The spots looked better, but the odors and sticky residue were still there, even after multiple passes. That's when I fired up the Bissell Revolution Hydrosteam, and this is where things got interesting. This cleaner is a beast. It uses heated steam plus strong suction, and it cleans in fewer passes than the TurboClean. On set and juice and pet stains, it not only lifted the discoloration, but actually neutralized most of the smell, especially after the carpet had a chance to fully dry. If you're struggling with spots that keep coming back after you've cleaned them, the Hydrosteam is much better at removing what's down in the pad, not just on the surface. The Hydrosteam also dries carpet more thoroughly, which keeps it from getting mildew. It has a quick dry mode that promises an astounding 30-minute dry, and that rang true. It's great for very light cleans or a carpet refresh. The steam function is where it's at for all the really set-in stubborn stains or heavy mess. And because it has stronger suction than the TurboClean, it makes the carpet drier on this setting as well, though you may need to wait 24 hours to get a full dry, and possibly even longer on really high-pile carpet. But, and this is a fairly big but, the Hydrosteam is way bigger and heavier. If you have a small space or you struggle to lift heavy machines, the TurboClean is much easier to maneuver. The Hydrosteam feels almost commercial grade, so you'll need more room to store it, and you'd better be ready for a workout when you get it out to clean. So does spending more really make a difference? For everyday spills and quick refreshes, the TurboClean really does a good job. But if you have pets, kids, sticky stains, or stubborn smells, or you just want to get the deepest clean possible, the Revolution Hydrosteam is in another league. There are links in the description if you want to check it out. Like and subscribe for more smart product comparisons.